Okay, let me record something for you regarding the Oman problem. Oh, the view is very perfect, right? Okay, the moment when she is ignoring your text, she is not having the same interest as you to negotiating the conversation with you. She is breaking the promises. She is coming up with the excuses every time. As a man, what you need to do in this place? Don't ask her texting back by asking the reassurance. What happened? Why you ignore me? The moment when you started doing this, at first place, it might came across that you're showing some concern. At second place, it might came across something like, okay, little bit of concern. Third place, you can raise the question like, what's the bond between you and me? Why you asking this kind of question? Why I need to text you back? Who are you? In this place, is using all logical question, all logical brain of her. So what you need to do is give her silent treatment and warning. This is not going to work out for the woman whom you meet in last 3-4 days. It is only work out for the woman who used to have some interested back in times, but now she's doing all the stuff which relates to the ignoring category. So in this place, you need to pull out the thing called one of the dangerous thing. Any man can pull out this thing. The woman will going to attract towers to the at particular man, and this thing will not going to work out for the woman because this is not. I mean, this is not going to work out for the woman. So the thing called the most and so the thing is silent treatment. No matter what, just don't text her. At first place, your inner version will scream you lot, will scream you so hardly that text her, ask her anything. But in that first place, you need to control. And once you set the control for yourself, come on. At first day, she cannot think about you. Second day, she is not going to think about you. Day 9, she will definitely going to think about you. What happened to this guy? Why he is not asking anything to me? And that is the place the positive manners will go. I mean, and that is the place whatever she used to have some negative things about you, that all negative things will going to turn into the positive. So yeah, have this strength. Learn to pull back your attention hours to from that woman who used to. So have some strength. As a man, you need to definitely carry this strength to pulling out the attention whatever you used to give to her. Any day, if you are able to do this with yourself, no one will going to manipulate, because the manipulate thing only happens when you react. Why you react? Because the reason why you react, the reason is the simple reason why you are reacting to them, because their silent bothers you. That is the thing they figure out that okay, if I stay silent, this will going to bother this man. So that's why he's going to ask me for the reassurance. And somehow people do like this reassurance thing. Everyone carries the different kind of dark tactics: sadism, psychopath, narcissism, and Machiavellism. I can't spell out that word properly. Here is the word Machiavellism. Okay, everyone carries this kind of tactics and I mean dark traits with them. So learn to stay aware and always see the thing logical perspective way. I hope this video makes sense to you.